Today we are going to discuss about algebraic expression and terms. Okay, so what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means when we are using constant and variable together in one expression, and we should use some operators as well. So that is known as algebraic expression. So here, see, if you just check, see, 12 plus 6, so 12 and 6, these are nothing but the constant, because you can't change the values of, like 12 and 6. And in between the constants, if you just see, we are using this brackets, parentheses, you can say, or different operators, let's say plus, let's say minus, multiplication, so division. So this is all together, I mean, like when we are writing one expression which is having constant, variable, or like the operators, they are known as expression, algebraic expression. Okay, so now we are going to move to the next slide. What is a variable? Variable is, like 12 plus b. This is nothing but one algebraic expression where b is the variable. Why it is a variable? Because if you just write, let's say 12 plus x or anything, okay, x y z a b c, anything, if you are just start writing, so the value of 12 is always fixed, because you know, right? And not like 12 means what, you can get 12 by multiplying 3 times 4 or 6 times 2, so you know what is 12, but you don't know what is the value of x. That's why it is called variable. Okay, suppose if I write, let's say 3 plus z. So here z is the variable. Why it is a variable? Because the value is not fixed. Okay, when you can see in expression a b c, this type of alphabets are written, so these are actually nothing but variable, where the value is being varying from like one to another. A could be 2, a could be 3, a could be anything, right? We don't know. That's why it is called one variable. Okay, now let us move to the next variable. About algebraic expression, when variables are used with other numbers, okay, parentheses or operations, they are called algebraic expressions. So when the variables, like let's say a, here you can see a b, m, n, or any alphabet you can write, okay, anything could be. So these variables, when we are combine variables constant, like 2 then 6, so these are actually constant. So when we are combining all these variables and constant by the help of these operators, okay, like let's say plus, minus, anything you can say, and another thing is that is called parenthesis. Okay, so if we are just combining constant, variable, parenthesis, operators, all in one expression, that is called nothing but algebraic expression. Okay, suppose let me write one algebraic expression, anything I can write randomly. Let's say x plus 3, or let's say 11 minus a plus b. So this type of expression we can write, where 11 is constant, a and b are variables, plus and minus are operators, and see this one, these curly brackets are called the parentheses. Okay, so this is nothing but one algebraic expression. Now let us move to the next slide, that is coefficient. What are coefficients? Coefficient is the number multiplied by the variable in an algebraic expression. Suppose if you just check this algebraic expression, this is the first one. Okay, so here if you just see, the variable is nothing but m, because otherwise m, you know what is like what is the value of 6, what is the value of 5, you already know that. So the variable is m. So along with m, which number is there, which number is multiplied with the variable, that is 6. So 6 is nothing but coefficient. Okay, so here 6 is the coefficient. So we should know coefficient is a number that is multiplied by the variable. So when we are writing, let's say 3x, so 3 is the coefficient. Or if you just check the second equation, okay, second equation, if you check 8r and 7m. So first we have to check the variables, right? So variables are two variables. You can see in the second equation, one is r, another one is m. So with these variables, which number we are multiplying? One is 8, another one is 7. So 8 and 7, these two numbers are coefficient. If you check the third equation if you check 14b minus 8. So 8 is nothing but, again I'm telling you, 8 is nothing but constant. See, I'm writing minus is nothing but operators. 14b, okay, so b is the variable, so coefficient is 14 multiplied with this variable b, okay, so 14b, so 14 times b, so 14 here is the coefficient. Clear? Like this way we are finding the coefficient. Suppose if I just write, let's say for example 4m minus 8c, okay, or let's say 11x plus 7, okay, like this. So here 4, 8, 11, these are coefficients. Why? Because like 4 is the number which is multiplied with the variable m, 8 is again multiplied with the variable c, 11 is multiplied with the variable x, and 7 is nothing but the constant. Okay, so like this way we are finding the coefficient from the expression. Now what is a term? Term is the name given to a number, a variable, or a number and a variable combined by multiplication or division. Okay, now let me tell you what are terms. Terms means like individual part. If you are considering a train, okay, a train, for example a train which is having 10 compartments, okay, so these 10 compartments it is having, for like a complete train which is made up of 10 compartments. So 10 is the number of terms, like the parts, okay. Like suppose like this is a rectangular box, and if I just break it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so these 5 parts, so these 5 parts are nothing but the 5 terms of this whole rectangular box. So algebraic expression, see a plus 2. So here if you just check a and 2, these are two different terms. Or if you just check the next expression, let's say 3m, 6n minus 6. Okay, so here 3m is one term, 6n is another term, minus 6 is another term. So why it is minus 6? Let me explain it again. So when we are like adding terms together to get a complete expression, so 3m is one term, second term 6n, third term is like this. Okay, so minus 6 is the term itself, because if you are not writing plus or and then minus 6, you will not get minus 6 at the end. So the term is minus 6, and in between the terms we can only combine to get the expression. So that's why we are just keep on adding. Okay, so like we have already discussed what are variables, what are constant, what are coefficients, and what are terms in this algebraic expression. So next part we will discuss